whenever I work with practice I work with, I always really preach and try and get them to focus on meeting their patients where they're at. So whatever, I think you kind of talked about this about as far as like terms of availability, but making sure if patients are wanting to text, making sure that you're consistent in following up on that. If it's after hours calls, if you're seeing an increase of those, like what is a solution there to make sure, again, for emergency calls, for routine, whatever it is, you're meeting the patient where they're at, and building that impression and loyalty from there.
Yeah. And I think that's like one of those decisions, right? That can have such a negative tail to it, right? Mm-hmm. So yes, we want to meet people where they're at, but you also have to consider as soon as you offer that opportunity for a patient to communicate with you in that new method, mm-hmm. right? The expectation for it is just as high as if they were to call in, right? So I think anytime that you think, hey, we should do a website chat, hey, we should do texting, hey, we should do like have patients email us, right? Whatever, right? Well, you really should only do that if you're gonna live up to the same standard, or else that's where you have those unintended consequences, right? And where I think it's so important to make sure that that's a really seamless experience. So I think that's great.
Absolutely. Follow up and follow through.